In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the drag to zoom behavior default settings on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, select Canvas Interaction. And then on the right side underneath Zoom, drag the zoom behavior, click the drop down, and you can select either by distance or by duration. Make your selection and then select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.